Hello guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to automatically logging in the GitHub or Git Bash, because if you push something in, for example, a private repo, or you post something in a private repo, it asks you every time for your username and password and so on, and that's very messy. I don't know, I don't like that. So for that, you're gonna use SSH Key, and these keys are going to help you to recognize your actual device and to skip that part of username and password every time. So let's start. The first thing you need to do is to generate a SSH key pair, and you do that basically going to your main user folder and then to the point SSH. And if you don't have this folder, open or create this folder. So here here it says that if you already have one, you don't need to create a new one, but as the case we don't have one, we suppose we don't have one. So to generate a new one, we use this command SSH key option O option T, the cipher RSA, option C uppercase, and then or email. That's very important, and you need to put the same email as you have in GitHub. So for example, I copy this and I paste this to here, and I need to change my to, for example, joshua@github.com, right? So it will be generating, and it will ask me to a file to say the keeper. I'm gonna cancel that because I already have a keeper. But once you are in this step, if you want to use the default route, you only need to press enter. Then it will ask for a passphrase. It's like a password. The more simple form, you just don't need to add a password. So if you want, you leave it blank, and then you enter again to skip, and then it will generate the key part. You will receive this message once it's generated. So after you generate your key part, you need to add your key part to your GitHub account. To do this, you go to the folder you created, and there you need to go to the file that ends with pub. Why? Because this is your public key, the key anyone will see, and it will look like this. So once we have that file and the content of that file, we copy that and we go to this interface, to the GitHub settings, and then go to SSH and GPG keys, and here we will see this interface. We click on new SSH key and we will see this. Here you can add a title, for example the name of your device, to identify it. And here the most important part, you're gonna paste the key. You need to paste the content of the file you created. In this case, this is an example. It starts with SSH or SA, and it ends with your email, right? So you need to pass all this content here. Once you pass it, you click on add SSH key, and it will appear like this, right? So here comes the most important thing. once you do that and you register your SSH key part, you go to your repository and you go to this part code and click on SSH, and you will get an SSH link. You copy this link and in your console do git clone and copy this link, right? And that's all. You do enter and it will ask you for example, oh, github domain is we can authenticate github domain. Are you sure you want to continue? You only need to type yes, and after that you will be completely logged in GitHub and you will be able to push to pull private repos without asking an username or without asking the password, right? So that's the more important thing. Just if you don't know how to generate an SS key in Windows, I will link the links in the description of how to do that. In Linux it's very easy because it's already installed in the terminal. So that's all. I will leave links in the description. Bye bye.